Wagwan people. So we're here at
Custom Paint Exotics.
Wagwan people. So we're at Custom Paint Exotics to get my Mugen lip painted and put on for the next meet, which is the Honda meet. Used to be Ibok meet, but I'm not sure why they changed it, but whatever. So let's pan over to my parts that I'm gonna get painted. This is the Mugen rear lip. It's got some damage on it. It's got some damage right here, and Stefan's gonna fix this. So the previous people that fixed my parts, they used fiberglass to fix plastic. And Stefan told us that you're only supposed to use plastic to fix plastic, which makes sense in hindsight, but I thought my friends were doing a good job. Well, my older friends. So I thought they were doing a good job and taking care of me. They really weren't. Also, I got this Mugen front lip from Russia. Shout out to my Russians. Also, it's got some damage, but Stefan's gonna fix that for me. Pretty much, it's all rare Mugen parts. It's just got some damage, but it'll be fixed, you know. The best of the best.
You got your Mugen wing here.
Yeah, this is my prized possession. My baby girl. This is the only thing that's not damaged, so I'm really happy about that because this is probably my favorite part about the car. I'm actually really excited to finally get my car painted properly. Like in the past, I used my quote-unquote friends back in the day, but when it was done, I was like, okay, this is okay for what I want. But now I got a little bit older. I'm strictly about quality, you know. So, which is why I changed the car. Now I have the black TSX. It's on RE30s. I'm gonna redo the spoon calipers. It's all gonna be properly done now.
Alright, so the plans for my car, the S2000. Well, I have a lot of plans for the car. I recently purchased the OEM hardtop. I was really lucky to find it.
Baller.
No, set me back a lot, but you know, it was a great investment. I ended up trying to get it color matched. It was as close as it could be. I think in the future I'm probably gonna take it to get completely matched the whole car. Hopefully getting the whole car resprayed real yellow pearl, so it'll be really nice. And of course I'm gonna take it here. Custom Paint Exotics, they do so much great work here. I've seen so many customer cars that are just amazing, and I'm not just hyping them up. That's real, like some really nice builds and cars and just crazy cars have come out of here. So like, you know, I would definitely trust them with this build. Whatever end result I get from them would be so dope that I'd be so happy with it. So, you know, I definitely trust Stefan and his team with this car. So that's one of the future plans for this build. I have the MR2 build right now that I'm working on, so I definitely want to finish that first, and then we're probably going to jump back on the S2000. But I definitely want to finish the MR2 build. If you guys want to check that out, link to my channel down below, or somewhere on the screen to the right.
Everywhere. It's gonna be everywhere.
Somewhere here. So definitely check that out if you guys want. If you guys like S2000s or MR2s. If you don't, you don't have to, you know what I'm saying, but if you want to, you can. So we're definitely gonna do that. I gotta remove the rear tint from the hardtop. You can't really tell that it's there right now, but I just pulled off the side windows, and never mind the fact that they're a little bit dirty right now. You know, don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes things happen.
Florida weather.
Florida weather, right? Exactly. And that's definitely one of the things that I want to do to it. Just pulling off that tint so that we'll match. We'll be fishbowling all the way around. Yeah, future builds. Probably a new front bumper that I already have. I just got to get it painted and fixed and put on the car. Definitely some cool body parts coming, but definitely boosting it. I've always wanted a boosted S2000 for as long as I owned S2000s. That was one of the plans that I had with my other S2000 before I sold it, was to boost it. Never got the opportunity to do it, so I definitely want to do it with this one. But like I said, we gotta finish that MR2 build first, so stay tuned for that, guys.
So I know a lot of the people in the comments are asking, what do you use in your hair? Why is it so luxurious?
You know, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is just some good old-fashioned water and soap and shampoo and conditioner.
But it's so curly and
genetics, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Genetics. I guess that's all I can really chalk it up to. Okay. But yeah, no lie, suave conditioner and that's it. Really, I'm gonna be honest with you. And some water does the trick every time.
So where can they get your jeans from?
Where can they? Depends on what kind they want. They're looking for Express or Levi's. It just depends on what they're looking for.
So what's your favorite mod on the car?
So far, my favorite mod would definitely be this hardtop. I think that's probably, you know, it's funny actually. Darren was the one that put me onto this hardtop. It was a friend of ours who had it and was selling it, and he actually told me about it. I wasn't gonna get it at first, and you know, with a little bit of persuasion, I thought about it, and I was like, you know, I'm the type of guy who always likes to switch stuff up on the car. I never like to just keep it the same. To me, it gets boring really quickly. So I saw that this hardtop was for sale, drove to Naples, and next thing I know, I was driving back with the hardtop, and here we are.
And if you want to see that video, it will be on his channel.
Exactly, yes. The road trip to pick this hardtop up. We actually turned it into a road trip. We were able to see a little bit of what Naples had to offer. It was a great day trip. I wish you could have stayed out there longer. That's probably, I would say the hardtop is definitely my favorite mod on the car. Next would probably be the wheels.
What color are they? Look kind of blue.
They're actually, yeah, they're gun blue, gunmetal blue. Really offsets against the yellow. They're really dirty right now, so they might look just gunmetal, but when they're clean, they're actually blue. For the rest of the build, it's pretty much just stock for the most part, you know, for now, at least. But hopefully that will all change very soon. Stay tuned. Yeah, so you know, we're gonna head out now.
Right about now.
Right about now. I don't even know where the next spot is where we're gonna head to. But in hindsight, have you guys seen this super clean
condom?
On these radios, on these slicks, like.
Damn.
So if any of you guys are muscle car fans, check them out. I'm sure they got an Instagram. I think they're called American Muscle. I think you guys would really appreciate what they have to offer.
So those parts that you're talking about that crack is because they're extremely resin rich.
Gotcha.
So what's cracking is the resin, not the carbon. The carbon doesn't crack. In an accident, it will come apart, but it doesn't crack generally. It's the resin.
Alright guys, and just like that, that is the end of this video. If you liked what you've seen, watch my other videos.
There you go.
And then if you want to see more content like this, like the video, give me some support so I can produce more content for you guys, you know? Peace.